Well, the eagle-eyed amongst you might recognise that I'm once again up on the Cleveland Hills. Now let me flip this camera around. Now then, the state of that. Well, despite the appearance, I'm not homeless. Emma hasn't kicked me out, not yet. And I am in fact up in the Cleveland Hills again, where I'm just about to. Currently parked at Clearbank car park. If you're from the area, you'll know Clearbank car park. Today I'm going to walk up to the Wainstones and maybe beyond up to Carlton Bank, depending on the wind, because we've got 40-mile-an-hour winds today, so I'm not too sure how it's going to go. Probably won't be much videoing because you'll not be able to hear us over the wind, but I'll try and take plenty of pictures, and if I do take videos I'll just mute it with some cheesy music. Right, let me flip you around and I'll show you. There we go. I'm not heading that way. I'm heading that way, up that big hill. Right. Right, there's the entrance to Clearbank car park. I'm just parked over there. That's back down the hill. We're heading up this way, and then there's a little cut off where you can start climbing. It's pretty brutal, you're straight into it. So, here we go. Bye.